blow it, get stuff done. Glam girl guidance.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, let's talk about my half planner. You guys, this used to be my baby. Do you remember her? I kind of switched her up a little bit. I kind of did it off camera because I wasn't even sure what I was doing. I had to look through all my planner stuff to even see what I had. I don't even know if this is how I want it. I know I'm going to change some things, but when I actually design stuff and change it, then I will let you know, and I will take you through the process with me. So like, I need new dividers. These are old and dirty. Like, I need to wash these. I just need to buy new ones, okay? They're just old and dirty. But I found this color. It's like a cream color. I thought it was pretty. So put that on. And then this girl is just my favorite girl ever. Until I can get other stuff or start making my own stuff, I had to just use what I have, right? Like, I found some, like, this, look how dirty this stuff is, you guys. Like, but it's old. Like, I just need to take everything apart and clean it. I kind of just put all these because, like, they all match and they're all cute. They're all my favorite color. And then I have my name. This thing is super old. My morning mindset. This is my favorite thing ever. This is my favorite thing ever because I never have pants on. When you're a stay-at-home mom, like, you just live in big t-shirts, right? Like, am I the only one? Or even if you're working, you come home and just put a big old t-shirt on, or am I the only one that does that? Like, I don't even know. And then, like, this is, you've seen all this before. Like, I don't have anything new, so I have to just kind of use what I have. And I'm not mad about it. Like, this is stuff I love. I loved it when I made it. I still love it now. Until I can get around to buying some new things, then we're just going to rock with what we have. This is my biggest, like, thing I go by. Like, celebrate every win, even if getting out of bed, even if it's just getting out of bed in the morning. This is me. This is what I have a problem with. I talked about it in my last video. I'm just in this, like, depressed mode that I need to get my life back together. Okay, so this is some of the stuff I designed. Glam Girl Guidance is going to be my new name. And when I made this, it was in June. And that's when I was going to start my planners. Well, here we are in August, and so it's fine. It's fine. We're just going to rock with what we have. My little cute, my hair is always up in a bun, messy bun, so I leave that. Okay, so this is my inbox. This is the person I'll be keeping in my planner. If you guys used to follow me, used to know, this is my baby. I love the half letter size. This is, I debated whether I just wanted to use this one planner. But I have this love about decorating a classic happy planner that I can't get rid of it. I love decorating classic. I don't know what else to do. So I'm going to keep both planners for now. But this one is, I don't know if I'll do a whole lot of decorating. I think I will here and there. But for the most part, this is just like brain dump, keeping track of my life type of planner that I will keep in my purse. I'm just doing a flip through. Because I live at the doctor's, I love these little appointment stickies. Then I found this cute little thing. It says, make it a habit. Start small. It has all these cute little things. Cute little boho theme with a cute little glitter. That's so cute. And then I made me some inbox inserts for priorities and just things to do whenever. And so I have a few of those, or I have this style with just a running to-do list. I couldn't decide which one I like, so I put both in. Okay, and then the monthly, I'm going to make a new monthly paper. This one's old, but I'll design that. and put that. I'll let you know what it looks like when I design it. I do want to get like new cute stuff for this planner, but for now this works. So monthly, I had made these. You know, I was messing around and I messed up a whole bunch of papers. And so, because I don't want to be wasteful, I'm going to just use with what I made. But I think I forgot to print out the August one. I was experimenting and this was supposed to be on the back of this and it didn't quite work out. And so I kind of just like stuck in some papers that I could use with this with this with this. And then, see, I wanted like goals and stuff. I'll get it down, guys. I got a new printer and I'm still trying to figure out how to learn because it prints on both sides. But, well, when I first got it, it started printing on both sides and now I can't get it to print on both sides. So I don't know. I don't know how I got it to print on both sides and now it won't. I don't know what I'm doing wrong. I'm not very tech savvy when it comes to stuff, so I'm learning. But anyways, that's the cute little calendars I'm going to be using. And then I will put this in, this will be my marker to keep track of where I'm at. So we'll actually just put that right in the front because I need to print out August calendar. Okay. I have a cute little stickers to decorate my August for in here. So when I print it out, I'll do a new video and show you how I'm going to decorate it. I bought like a different size off of Sweet Quiet Design I've never used before. And I was just curious if I could make it work in these little ones. So I'm going to try it. Okay, so weekly, I've got some habit trackers that I kind of want to, look, this is one I messed up on this side. So let's just take this out. Like, this one's old. These are old, you guys. This is stuff I printed out like several years ago. So, you know what? I'll just make new ones because I don't like how it's only Monday through Friday on one side. I don't know why it came out like that. So we're not even going to use those. Well, see, these are old. They're dirty, but this is what I used to use. Oh, yeah, I forgot I had these little things. Okay, that'll work. I'm going to use these for my habits. Might as well use what I got, right? Okay, so I'll use those. So this is kind of what I used before. Keep track of my menu for the week. This was my dashboard that I made to buy, to do, this week to clean. And this really worked for me in this planner. So maybe I will decorate these ones. We'll have to see because I also made just a more simplified, just a one-page one. Because I don't know if I need all of this. I don't know. I might use both here and there. But I made just more simplified one just to write some things that I know I need to do today or on a day. And then on a day where I need more room than just this, I made a daily planner. So I have morning, afternoon, evening. And then I also made a different style with the schedule in case I need more of a schedule that day. So these are just things I'm just going to be using, not decorating, just using paper and pen to help keep track. Like, my brain is gone. I don't know if it's my age, the medication I've been on, the combination of the two. But I cannot remember simple things, you guys. Like as far as like, oh, I'm going to put this tweezers in this drawer right here in my desk. I'll remember where that is, right? Because that's easy. No. After 20 minutes goes by, I don't know where I put them. My brain is gone to shit. Anybody else? I don't know what it is. Like, I know I was on a medication called gabapentin. I'm still on it, but not as high of a dose. And my doctor did say that has been known to, like, mess with, like, your memory and stuff. And I know it was. and it was really messing with me. I feel better now that I did when I was like on heavy doses, but I think it ruined me. Like, I just forget the most simplest things. And in my brain, I'm like, I can't forget that because it's so simple. Like in 20 minutes, you need to go take the clothes out of the dryer. No. If I get doing something else, I'll forget. They'll sit in there till the next day. Like, I just forget simple things. So I have to get back to my planner, you guys. I have to write stuff down so I know what I'm even doing in life. Okay, so I've been doing a lot more cooking. So I am going to do keeping track of meals. So these are ones I had made a long time ago. I found them in my planner stash. I'm just going to use what I have. And then I also have these ones that I had bought from Fancy Plans. So we're just going to use what we have. That's that section. And then we have a list section. I am a huge lister. Like, this is why I have this. Lister's going to list. To-do list. Like, I have different types of little lists in here because, like, I love lists. I make lists for everything, and I miss writing stuff down, you guys. Trying to rely on my brain hasn't worked in a year. I don't even know how I went this long. I have to get back to my planner. I'm so excited. So I have a list section, note section, just notes, different types of note paper to write chicken scratch down or whatever. And then I have a section I'm going to be using to do like my planner content. So I think I like these so I can kind of keep track what I'm posting. I don't know. We'll see if this even works for me. I know I wanted to use these in the past for planner content or just content in general. And I never used them, so I don't even know if they work for me. But we'll find out. We'll find out. I also have these that I found. I can write tasks, deadline completed. I can use that for content. So I just found some different inserts. If I find that these aren't working, I will design my own. And then this last section, I think I'm going to stick with goals and manifestation. I want to really get into manifesting my life. And so I actually need to, I haven't decided. I kind of want to use like a separate journal for manifesting, doing affirmations, things like that. So I don't know if I'll keep that in here. I think I'll keep my goals in here, something to refer to help me keep on track for the month or week. Daily goals, like stuff like that. But I think I have made up my mind and I want to put my manifestation into something different. Something I can just keep by my bed. Grab it, write a few lines down when I first wake up, before I go to bed, maybe both. It's something like easy access. So I'm going to have to figure out what to use for that. When I do, I'll let you know. And then I have just these cute little thingies. And then this that I need to clean because it's dirty. It holds my pens. I need a smaller pen to put in that one. But anyways, this is just a simplified planner that I'm going to be keeping in my purse. And you guys probably won't see a whole lot of this planner unless you want to. Do you want content of this planner? If you do, let me know. I will be happy to share it all the time. In fact, I still may. But yeah, I just want to give you an idea of what I'm going to be using planner wise. So I think I'm just going to stick to the classic. This one. Okay, I lied. I'm going to have 4. 4 right now in my brain, I'm going to have 4 planners. This may change next year. For the remainder of this year, I'm going to be using 4. My classic happy planner to decorate and plan out my weeks. This one did brain dump. keep in my purse. I have a financial planner that I used to use, the big one from Calva Plan. I am now going back to half letter size for my financial planner. I just need to design inserts for it. So when I do that, I will gladly share that planner. And then I'm going to go back to using this one for my health planner because it's just a little guy. And this is something I won't use a whole lot, but it definitely helps when I'm going to the doctors, especially if I need to ask about stuff or keep track of medications and stuff. Right now I'm relying on my brain and it's not working. So if I can just throw this in my purse when I'm going to go to the doctors, I think that will work the best. So I might redo this, figure it out. I don't even know what it looks like on the inside. I may just keep it the same. We'll talk about this one in another video. But okay, I think that's all for this video. I will definitely share more of this when I get new things, when I add to it, when I take away stuff. I will keep you updated of how I keep track of my life in my half letter purse planner. Okay, guys, I've had fun chit-chatting with you, and I love you. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.
Glam girl guidance, find your own flow. Yeah. Small